Hey, what's going on? Welcome to another video. This is the Maverick channel. Today we will be talking about the DJI Smrc versus the Smrc S20. This video is a part of our series, the DJI Smrc versus the Smrc. Today we will be examining the external features. They both look alike, very similar in shape and size, but they have some striking differences, and this is what this video is all about. Now guys, this is the right time. If you've not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Alright guys, let's get straight to it. First off is the Smrc S20. Even though it looks as if it has a sensor up front, it really doesn't. It is made of plastic, while the DJI Smrc has a sensor up front which detects objects, especially, or rather when not in sports mode. Now let's examine their cameras. Both of them from a distance look the same, but the one of the Smrc S20 doesn't have a gimbal, and it actually makes the footage a little bit bumpy, especially when making a turn or getting to a sudden stop, whereas the one of the DJI Smrc has a gimbal which makes its footage very smooth and steady. And of course, both of them have landing pads. Let us now examine underneath both quadcopters. The one of the Smrc has this hole right here which is used for ventilation, and the one of the DJI Smrc has an external charging contact and also this ground sensor right here. Alright, let's move on to the next difference. The power button of the Smrc is found on top right here, whereas that of the DJI Smrc is found right here at the rear end. The battery of the Smrc S20 is located at the rear end, and it is a push and slide mechanism used to remove the battery from the quadcopter, while that of the Smrc is found underneath, and it has two knobs on each side which you can slide backward to remove the battery from the drone. Another interesting feature is that the Smrc S20 is a foldable drone, whereas the DJI Smrc is not foldable. Another interesting difference is that you can find an antenna protruding from the left side of the Smrc S20, whereas that of the DJI Smrc is inbuilt. Both aircraft have 4 status indicator lights underneath each propeller. The DJI Smrc has a battery level indicator located on its intelligent flight battery, whereas the Smrc doesn't have such feature. The Smrc would not fit in the DJI Smrc case, as you can see here, which simply means it is slightly larger. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on my next video.